it's my first time doing this tie-dye kit. So today we have the tie-dye. So my name is Nevin. I'm from the NNN show. So welcome to the NNN show. I have Navami's brother. So let's get these things out. And we got these. Let's fill these up. So we have these bottles. They're the tie-dye. So inside these bottles there will be powder. See the blue things in it? They are the powder. So we are going to open it in. So this is orange color, yellow and dark blue color. Let's open this up. Okay. Open it now. It's good it didn't fall out, or if it's falling out, the powder. Okay, it was my first time, so it will be hard for me to do too much. Okay, don't put too much, otherwise it will explode or spill everywhere. So that's why I need some help with the grown-ups. So, got it in. Now you have to shake it for 1 minute. If you don't, then your t-shirt will come bad, or your t-shirt will get bad. Oh, by the way, you need a white t-shirt other in stuff that's white from a mall, or it's from the box sometimes. And I also have some rubber bands. So I have 4 colors ready here. So I have blue, yellow, orange and green. So now I'm going to show you how to fold the t-shirt. First, fold the armpits like this. Nice and neat. Now the other armpit. Very neat. Okay. Now you're gonna fold it like this. Inside out, like a frog. Like this. Yeah, like this. This is gonna be hard for me because I'm a child, not a grown up. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put the rubber back. Okay. Okay, this is hard for me. So, where do you need to put them? First, you have to put them in the ends. Then you put the other rubber bands through the first ones. Then put them the second or third rubber band. Thanks for Navami, my sister, for helping me. So that took her a while. Now I'm going to put the tie on. So first, let me put the purple in. Squeeze it in. Make sure it doesn't make a big mess. I'm not making that big. So let's see how it turns out. To 6.5. Next, I'm going to put the green. Little purple ones on the green side, but that's okay. Now spray. I need to squeeze it a little more. So that's good. Spread it out. Okay, let me go on the sides a little bit. Good. And green is spreading all over. Okay. Spread it until I'm gonna turn it. Okay, that's gonna be a big mess. Okay, I'm doing blue. I'm making it just red. Okay. Spread blue. So this is how it came up. It's not that bad. So that's how it came up when I colored it in. Now I'm going to wrap it. Okay, this is a hard one. There's the top stars going on it. Yeah, I'm moving this up. And now let's wrap it. Okay, I think that's how we wrap it. Okay. We are gonna wrap it around here. We wrap it. Okay. So we have finished. Now let's hang. So we have finished. This is how it looks. The blue didn't come out well to wrap. So this is how it looks like. So let's now hang it for 6 and 8 hours later. So bye. Welcome back. Now I'm going to open this wrapper. Okay. Okay, the wrapper is off. Now, oh no. Okay, now we take off the rubber bands. Oh, okay, now we are going to wash the extra dye. Look at the water. It's so rainbowy. Wow, it looks so cool. This is how it turned out when I washed it. Let me hang it up on the washing line. So, see you next time. Bye. Tie-dye shirts. This is the NNN Show tie-dye tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and had lots of fun doing tie-dye shirts. We'll see you all next time. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Okay.